Stefan, how happy are you that this AWS Sovereign Cloud now is launched?
I am more than happy because, it's not every day that you have the opportunity to launch such a big project. So today, as something really tasty for me and really historical, it is the day one of the European Sovereign Cloud. So I am more than happy. I am delighted and excited.
It's not that very often that you can actually launch something totally new.
Exactly. And the European Sovereign Cloud is a huge project. It's an investment of 7.8 billion as a start. And yes, and now it's running. And we are all gathered today with a lot of friends, partners, European partners to make it a success. So we have the availability zones in the Brandenburg region. And we disclose today that we will have 3 local zones in Amsterdam, in Belgium, and in Brussels and in Lisbon, in Portugal. So the availability zones are in Germany, in the Brandenburg regions. We have now local zones in 3 key European countries. So it's a really European project.
From the customers that you have already onboarded, what was their feedback like?
The customers, they want the best of the 2 worlds. What they want is to have specific assurances for sensitive data, sensitive workload, and they want to have access to the full power of the clouds. They want to have access to our main services, to AI services, to all what makes our offer unique. And on the other side, they want to have additional assurance for specific workload. And this is exactly what we are offering. And the customers are super excited about this offer because it's really unique to have this mix of additional assurances for sensitive data and full power of the cloud.
We heard already about in one of the meetings about that there's a framework actually of governance and security around where people can actually audit the whole platform and get reports.
Yes, so we have what we call the Sovereign Reference Framework. The Sovereign Reference Framework is one example of an additional assurance we offer in the European Sovereign Cloud. It's specific to the European Sovereign Cloud. It is third-party audit. It is independent validation. It is linked to the different needs of different customers. So it's really a tailored solution to offer additional assurances to our customer.
Was that specifically difficult now with our European rules of GDPR and DSA and so on?
No, so we are abiding by European rules, and AWS is abiding by the GDPR, so there is no question on that. And again, on top of all what we are already offering, we offer specific assurances. I can give you some examples. With the European Sovereign Cloud, it's not only the data, it's also the metadata created by the customers, which will be encapsulated in the European Sovereign Cloud. I give you another example. There is no dependency of the European Sovereign Cloud to the other regions. So there is no dependency from this region to Frankfurt, despite they are both in Germany. We are physically and logically separated. And the European Sovereign Cloud is operated by European residents, and we will transition towards European citizens. Some authorized employees will have a replica of the source code, so we offer a very strong operational autonomy. When it comes to governance, we have dedicated governance with a legal entity which is registered in Germany. The leadership is European. We have to abide by European laws, and we have to act in the best interest of our customers. And after, when it comes to audit and when it comes to third-party validation, we have the Sovereign Reference Framework. So I have given here you some example of all these specific layers, specific assurances we give to our customers for sensitive data.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.